In this video we take a look at a really great project from Crookedmouth 1971 that combines two of the popular uses of the Raspberry Pi into one fantastic retro gaming experience, emulating an old computer and creating a cyberdeck. The project, called CBM X64 Plus, is a cyberdeck that emulates the highly popular 1980s Commodore 64 home computer. Emulation is produced by BMC64, a bare metal Commodore 64 emulator that can boot up in just 4 seconds. With low latency, you'll be able to quickly load up virtual cassettes, floppy disks, and cartridge ROM images. 2 controllers are connected directly to the PO of the Raspberry Pi 3A Plus, and the cyberdeck is housed in a custom-made wood enclosure for strength and durability. It features an 8-inch 4:3 aspect LCD screen for a faux CRT experience, as well as a 68-key mechanical keyboard with Gateron brown switches and custom keycaps with facsimiles of PET Standard Code of Information Interchange characters. To complete the build, there are also reproduction case badges of the Chicken Lips Commodore logo, and a really cool power LED badge. The great part about this build is that all of the details, plus a bill of materials, can be found on the Hackaday project page. So if you're a fan of the Commodore 64, and you're looking for a great way to enjoy the classic gaming experience on your Raspberry Pi, check out the CBM X64 Plus Cyberdeck project. Break out your tools and get ready to build something awesome.